Hello and welcome to the Heavy Data Backup presentation. My name is Kavanya and I have two companies, one is remote support and one is a PLC, which is a Federal Research Center. And in this video we shall be discussing what we are offering to ICT, IT and computer department. Different companies call their computer departments in different names. ICT means Information and Communication Technology, IT is the acronym for Information Technology, and we shall be explaining what we are offering in terms of backup. We currently have a full service managed service provider offering. That means for some companies we manage the whole IT including the backup, and not just the backup but everything related to the IT department, from the hardware all the way up to specialty ICT firmware. So from this offering we can offer the backup section, which is we can assist in making sure all of the backups are done for the IT department at once. Another option is the build, operate and transfer. That means we collaborate with the computer department to build up a backup service which they use, and then we are not going to be involved in the regular operations of it. Then we have servers of ours, which we might be having a better pricing, cost effective wise. That means if our servers are more cost effective, then the IT department and the companies are most welcome to use them. Then we have servers on premise. That means the companies can have their own servers. The advantage of having a server on your own site is that the restoring and the backup speeds are usually faster because you can do it on the LAN and you don't have to use the internet connection for that. During office hours for important other tasks. And then we've got the hybrid, that means we've got copies on the internet hosted servers and also on the premise servers, and the combination is based on the requirements of the different kinds of data. We also offer training for cases where the IT department wants to learn how to use all of the applications, and also training is available for users in case it is requested by the IT department and they want to dedicate resources to train their users. So the training is two, one is the IT department administration type training and also the training for the users. Automation means we develop systems to reduce the amount of time required for administration or the procedures needed to configure and monitor the backup processes that are in place. Some of the software do have some automation capabilities, but even the configuration can be automated further. So we work on that to develop more software for the special features that we are using in different companies. Integration with existing systems means there might be applications or systems related to backup that are already being used, and if they are working well, we will be integrating them with the newer software or the other software which will complement them or complete the kind of systems that we are trying to build and meet the requirements of the business continuity. Usually backup systems backup files, but for some applications, for example databases, they have to be catered to in a different way because their files are continuously changing. So it's not as simple as just backing up their files and expecting them to work. So for these types of cases, we have to develop spatial procedures and sometimes applications which help back up the data, called applications which have spatial requirements. Restoring development and acceleration, what this means is we run the restoring processes, see how long they take, and then figure out ways of how it can be done in a shorter amount of time, and also with more automation so that the time to restore is reduced. RTO and RPO are settings related. RTO and RPO are acronyms for recovery time objective and recovery point objective. RTO and RPO settings and optimization. To explain this, I will first explain what RTO and RPO is. RTO is the maximum acceptable time when an application can be down after the failure. And RPO is the maximum acceptable amount of data loss measured in time, that means before the failure. So this is what it looks like. For example, if the RPO is 1 hour, that means the backup has to be done every 1 hour. So from the time of the disaster, the data is maximum 1 hour behind. But RTO is the amount of time it takes. Suppose it takes 2 hours to restore the computer. So what will happen is the RTO will be something like 2 hours. So what we are saying is that we are measuring the RTO and RPO currently, and then seeing what would be better for the case. If they are within the limits, then it's fine. Otherwise, we will work on optimizing it and changing the backup strategy so that the RTO and RPO requirements for the specific cases are met. Any other things you can think of from the user point of view or the IT department point of view, you're most welcome to discuss those. And if there is new things that you might need in your organization, we shall work on figuring out how to come up with solutions which can meet those requirements based on the technologies available these days. This is the contact information. We have 2 websites, two domains and 3 websites related to backup. One is ATRC, which is a tracking and research center. Remote-support.space is for the managed ICT services, and this website is specifically for the heavy data backup product, which is a product in the service. And this is my WhatsApp number, this is the US number, and these are the email addresses. I would love to hear from you so we can start discussing how the technologies that we have developed or related to backups can be used to benefit your organization and increase the business continuity and reduce disasters. Thank you for taking the time to do this presentation. Hope we shall be able to benefit your organization immensely.